Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Now, if you have been following us for the past few months, you guys should know that I have strangely been obsessed with finding the perfect purple eyeshadow. So today I am playing with a bunch of purple eyeshadow, and that's how I created this eye look right here. So if you want to see how I created this eye look, be sure to stay tuned. So to start out this purple look, I'm going to take the CoverGirl Trunaked Chocoholic palette, and I'm going to take the third shade over, and I'm going to use that as my crease color. Now I know this whole video is playing with purple eyeshadows. Well, I don't like color in my crease, so I'm just going to use a classic brown just to warm it up. The next shade I'm going to take is from the Ally Girl Eye Luxe Mesmerizing eyeshadow palette in the shade Glamorize. And I'm going to take the more pinkish purple shade on the very top. And I'm going to apply that just under where I applied that CoverGirl shade. This shade is going to act as a transition color from the brown into more of the purple tones. Now I'm going to take the Sephora Colorful Matte Single Eyeshadow in the shade Very Bad. I have to say I'm a little concerned about this because of the name, but I'm going to take this and I'm going to lightly apply it all over my lid, just as a base for the eyeshadows I'm going to put over top. The latest trend has been people applying eyeshadow as liner, so I feel like this would be a really pretty shade to just do a nice, brown smoky eye and then do this as your winged liner. I think that would look really pretty. Now, this is my first time using this Sephora shadow, and boy oh boy, this is pigmented. I love this. Now I'm going to go into the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette, and I'm going to use the shade called Subdued, and I'm going to use that on top of the shade that I applied on my lid. I'm going to apply that eyeshadow wet. I love how this eyeshadow look is starting to look like a nice sunset. Well, to me it looks like a sunset. And sticking with the Element of Surprise palette, I'm going to take the shade below Subdued, Sea Stars, and I'm going to apply that in the outer corner. So I'm going to apply some concealer and foundation, and I will be right back to finish the eye look. Okay, so I've got some more of my makeup on, and I'm going to go in to the new Rimmel Magnif'eyes Electric Violet Edition eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take the third to last shade, and I'm going to apply that under my eyes on my lower lash line. And lastly is inner corner highlight. So I'm going to go into the new Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in Air. Now this is from their Zodiac collection, and this is just one of many products that they released. So I'm going to take one of these smaller triangles, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. This shade is more of a opaly color. It's white, but it's got like a purple shift to it. So I have applied highlighter, and I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Bombshell, and I'm going to put that on my lips and close out this look. So that is it for this makeup look / tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I personally had a lot of fun with this. Again, as you all know, I am obsessed with purples lately. I don't know what got me so obsessed, but I can't get enough of them. Be sure to comment down below if you like this and if you want me to do more of playing with a certain type of color makeup, whether it be red, pink, yellow, green. Well, preferably not yellow, but if you want to see that, I'll make it. Be sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe down below to be notified of all of our new videos, and click that little bell. And remember, we post 2 beauty videos a week, one on Mondays, which is a Mom and Me day, and on Thursdays, which is either Teen Take with me or a Mom Moment with my mom. Be sure to share this video with your friends if you think that they will benefit from this content, or if they just like the color purple too. Be sure to connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty, and with me under Emma_N_2004. And be sure to follow me on Pinterest with that same username. So that is it for this video, and I again hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time for our next Mom and Me video. Bye everyone!